everybody, welcome back to Karen Park here on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in as always. I know it's been a minute, but I had to take some time out to come show you guys these new Juvia's Place Nude Series lipsticks, glosses, and lip liners. They are beautiful. I'm gonna start out by showing you guys the colors from the Nude Chocolates. But of course, you know, I'm gonna give you an eyeshadow tutorial. That way you have a look that you can rock with. Okay, so I'm starting with the lightest shade in the Chocolates mini palette. This is also from Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna use that shade as a transition. I'm using the darkest shade, the top right hand corner, and putting that in my outer V on both eyes to try to carve out the shape of my eye. And of course, I'm trying to get that as even as possible. And I'm just going to keep blending, and I'm going to show you guys the lid in just a second. I'm going to use that sienna shade from the bottom left hand corner of the palette, and then I'm going to flip my brush over and use the lightest matte shade as the main lid shade. And the reason why I use one brush is because I want those two shades to blend well. I don't like for you to be able to see where the eyeshadow starts and stops, so I needed a middle transition between the light shade and the darkest shade on the outside corner. So I just use that one to blend those two colors together. And that's basically it for the eyeshadow look. I didn't want to do anything too hard, just something simple that you could rock with either one of these lipsticks. You're going to do the same thing that you did to the top on the bottom. And then we're going to move on to a little bit of liner and some lashes, and that's it. I didn't want the video to be like 30 minutes long because there was so much to show you guys. So my next few videos will be the same way. Let's get into the Velvety Matte lipsticks. These are the Nude Chocolates. I'm going to be using a lip liner to go along with it. First up, Cocoa and Scorpio. These two are the deepest shades in the entire collection, and they look beautiful together. I'm using my ring light here, and then you're gonna see a still photo of me under my softbox. I wanted to show two different lightings so you guys can get a good idea of what they look like. This one comes off a little bit red on me. Our second combo is Muted and Cola. Muted is the lipstick and Cola is the lip liner. The luxe liners are $10 each and the lipsticks are $14 each. I wound up liking Cola the most, I think, by kind of like default, because that's like a neutral brown that I love to go to when I wear nudes. I feel like Cola is compatible and looks good with quite a few of the different shades that came out with the Velvety Matte lipsticks, and it also looks good under the Reflect glosses as well. I really love the formula on these lipsticks. They go on like a cream formula, and then after about 5 or 6 minutes, they begin to like dry down a little bit. So they get matte, but then they stay comfortable. So that's a 2 thumbs up for me. For our third combo, I'm using Toffee and Scorpio, going back to that first luxe liner that we tried. Toffee is like a medium deep brown, almost like a sienna brown. It's very, very pretty. I feel like if you use Cola instead of Scorpio, it'll stay truer to its color. And last but certainly not least, Lady and Cola. These two just work for me. So out of the Nude Chocolates, I'm going to be using this color combination the most. I'm probably going to wear this when I leave out the house because this just works for me. You guys make sure that you stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't miss the next couple of videos showing you the other swatches of the glosses and the mauves and the peaches. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for tuning in.